Hey everyone, how are you all? Today's video will be on Pitchfork, how to make it, and it will be in Hindi. So let's begin with the video. And sorry for no camera because I am not well, so sorry for it. So this is a Bank Nifty daily chart, Bank Nifty Futures, and I have posted this idea on TradingView. Here it is. You can see. Let's make this from the beginning. And you can check other ideas too. This idea got featured in the editor specs column on TradingView, so do check it out and check these other ideas too about the pitch fan. Pitch fan will be the next video, but today we'll focus on pitchfork only. So um, to make a pitchfork, we have to first identify a trend. There are four other types of pitchfork, but we will be focusing on the normal one only, the original one. These are the four types: pitchfork, skiff, modified case, skiff, and inside pitchfork. So let's begin with original one only. So for the original one, you have to uh, identify a trend, and you have to start your pitchfork from the uh, first low of the trend only. So let's make it. Don't forget to turn on your magnet. And okay, this is a you have to switch it to original one first, and now you can turn off your magnet, lock this pitchfork, and we are good to go. So you can see on the daily chart we have got all the reversal levels, and this median level is the major one. You can see this line has a lot of touches. So this is our main area where we can trade for a reversal trade. It is a confirm like 90% of the times it reverses from the median, so we can take this trade from the median. So I started with here. um, Let me first tell you my these levels. These are my levels: 0.5, 1, 1.5 and 2. 0.5 and 1.5 are dashed lines, and 1 and 2 are normal lines. 1 and 2 are major lines, so I have kept them normal. And the red one is the median line. So let's view it on lower time frames now. Uh, okay, let's take the current trade for current one. So here we have this doji candle as our trend reversal candlestick. We can take a trade here after confirming on the 1 hourly and 15 minutes time frame. You can see it is in the overbought position on RSI. Now let's check it on 1 hourly time frame. Here it has made a doji again, and it is on the overbought position on the RSI too. So we can take this trade. But let's take the confirmation of 15 minute chart too. So here you can see a bullish and bearish engulfing candle. So I would take my short trade at the end of this candle, and my stop loss would be at the end of the first candle, and the target would be the next median line. You can always trail your stop loss. For the confirmation of trailing, you can see when the line passes, it always take a pullback on the 15 minutes or 5 minute time frame. Here you can see it has taken the pullback, and now after the pullback has been confirmed, we can take this to the next median line, set a target to the next median line, and Our stop loss would be the this pullback, uh, this one. So this is like 750 points trade. So you can trade with Pitchfork. This is not a myth, but yeah, Pitchfork gives very good levels. Uh, just backtest this strategy, and do let me know in the comments if you like this strategy. Uh, and I forgot that the video was to be made in Hindi, but I'm sorry about that. I'm not recording it again. So goodbye for now. Our next video will be on pitch fan or anything else you could suggest in comment box. Let's take an update on Bitcoin too. Um, okay, so it would have hit our it would have executed our trade, but I should have started from here only. That's my mistake. But it has completed our target. It has hit our target. Let's see where will it go on the USDT chart. Okay, so there was not much volatility on the USDT chart, but it might come back here to execute our trade. Let's wait for a few more days. Till then, goodbye. Trade safe. We will meet.